Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide widget for logout user in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see header and then you see card menu. So we are going to hide this from logout user by using plugin. Now copy URL and then open website again. Now you see menu card widget display for logout user. So we are going to hide it. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin and then in search plugin write visibility logic for Elementor. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and go to Elementor header and refresh the page. Now you see cart widget, so click on it and then on left side you see content style advanced and then you see stacks visibility, so click on it and then you see enable visibility logic, enable this option, yes, and then you see show hide action, hide, condition type, drop down, select all or at least one. Now scroll down, user role, so click on it and then you see different multiple option. Now enable this. Now you see user roles. Now you see plus icon, so click on it and then you see drop down. You see multiple option and then you see guest. So enable this option. So we are going to hide this widget for guest, mean for logout user, and then click on update. Now update done. Go to website. Now copy URL. Now you see menu card widget show for login user. Now open website again. Now you see menu card widget hide for logout user by using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.